Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do an eyebrow tutorial because I don't remember the last time I've actually done an eyebrow tutorial here on my channel. And I have been seeing this Anastasia brow gel all over Instagram, so I really wanted to put this to the test and just see if I could fix these little bad boys right here that obviously need a lot of work. Not only am I going to be using the Anastasia Dipbrow gel, I'm also going to be using the highlighting dual pencil. So one side is matte and one side is like a shimmer side. And I'm going to be using this brow pencil to highlight underneath the brow. So if you want to see how I transform my eyebrows from this to this, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I wanted to bring you guys up close and personal just so that I can show you guys that my eyebrows are just a piece of work. Both of them are just shaped differently, so if you guys see that, obviously when I'm done doing my eyebrows, if you guys see that both of the eyebrows are just different, it's because my eyebrows really are different. So like they say, brows are sisters, not twins. As you can see, the shape of this eyebrow here, it grows upwards on its own and just this way. And then this eyebrow shape right here, the hairs just go this way. The hair down here is a lot thicker and it just goes this way. And opposed to this one, I feel like I have less hair down here, and I don't want to thin this out because I just want my eyebrows to grow, and I believe in them even though they're not growing. So that's what I'm working with, and just in case you do have my type of eyebrows, I'm going to show you how you can work with it. Alright, so this is what the Dipbrow gel looks like, and it has like a little spoolie. It's just to kind of comb your eyebrow hairs in place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're just going to be using this product to fill in your brows, and let's get started. The way that I'm going to apply this brow gel is on the back of my hand. Just release product on there like that. I don't have the Anastasia angled brush, so I'm going to be using this one from Practic. Just be sure that whatever little angled brush that you're using is pretty flat and defined. The flatter it is, it's easier to shape your eyebrows and make them look a little bit more natural. I'm going to start with this eyebrow because this is my easier eyebrow, and I just want to show you how I make them kind of go together. I'm just going to apply it to the bottom of the eyebrow here. I'm going to bring my mirror up close just because it's a little bit tricky to be holding a mirror and try to do my eyebrows. I'm going to just begin to fill in my eyebrows here. Now in this inner area, I'm going to just start to work the product very lightly. So I'm not adding any more product aside from what I used here, and this is basically all dried up now, so I'm just using whatever is left over in the brush and just lightly working this part. This is my very first time using this brow product, and I really like it. I usually use the Dipbrow pomade, and I feel like that doesn't dry down matte. And with this product, it just dries down to a matte finish, and it makes me feel a little bit more secure about my eyebrows opposed to like somebody coming by and like smudging my eyebrow off. I don't know. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this Anastasia highlighting dual pencil, and I'm going to be using the matte shade. And that's this side right here. So I'm just going to be highlighting right underneath the brow. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a little flat brush like this one here. And then just working this product down. If I stayed a little bit quiet, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to really get a precise brow. This highlighter is actually really creamy. I like that. So whatever remainder product you have, just go ahead and bring it down to the lid. And again, I'm just using whatever's left over of that highlighter. I didn't add any more. Alright, so as you can see, my eyebrows are very different now. This one is a lot higher than this one, and the challenge is to get them to look as sisterly as possible. So let me show you how I do that. Using the same brush that I used to fill in the eyebrow on this side, I'm going to go ahead and use it for a guide just to know where my eyebrows should start. So as you can see, eyebrow starts there, eyebrow starts here. I have a little bit of that product left, so that's as high as I want this to go. You see that? Hopefully you can see that. The height of the eyebrow should be around here. So as you can see, this eyebrow right here is higher, so we're gonna make a little guide right there. So again, I'm gonna begin with this bottom part. And give my eyebrow shape. So now that I have this little harsh area, I'm going to go ahead and just use whatever's left over of this product here and then just start working it up. And I'm not using any more product from here on out. I'm just going to start to fill this eyebrow a little bit higher. And slightly add a little bit more down here. Alright, so now this eyebrow right here is looking a little bit wonky, but let's go ahead and carve it out and let's fix it. So for this part, I like to lift my eyebrow up and then just go ahead and underline it. And then last but not least, I'm going to just go over them. So what had happened was I forgot to film an outro, and I did a little mini eye tutorial for my Instagram, so that's why you guys are seeing this right over here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial. It was very short, but I just kind of wanted to play around with the new Anastasia brow gel. As I was mentioning, I love the way that it dries down to a matte finish. And I feel like my eyebrows are really, they just feel really secure. Like you can take me swimming and they're gonna stay in place. You know what I mean? Look at that. Nothing. Nada. Mira. I also really like how it's keeping my eyebrow hairs in place. Overall, I'm very happy with this product, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, I want to ask you guys for the biggest favor. I'm going to go ahead and edit this video into a small little tutorial for Instagram. If you guys can please tag Norvina in the post, I would really appreciate it. She is currently looking for makeup artists to add to their PR list, and I want that to be me more than anything. So I would appreciate that very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. Bye!